Okay, we're going to try a quick tutorial on how to send down they call it a package file. It could be a firmware file, could also be a configuration file. These are files that are available from Brady. And what I've been able to download anyway are things like this. When I looked at the SATO printer that I had, I confirmed that it actually had this level of firmware 1.9.4 release 2. And that's the base firmware level that is required by the Brady system. But now we're going to install this package file, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You start by making a network connection with your your printer. I think that this is the easiest way to do this. So if you set your printer up on the network, you should be able to find out what its IP address is. There's a video that I have that shows you how to do that through the front panel. Once you punch that in, you're going to get to this page. You may get a security warning, but you know what this is, so just accept the security warning and move on to get to this page. Notice I do have an error right now, but it shouldn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and hit login. We're going to go to the settings, user settings, and then password is 0310, right? 0310. Once you do that, you'll be logged in, and now you can actually make changes. You want to go to the Tools section, and you'll see Install Package. Click that, and go browse to the file that you want to put in there, which in this case is that one. I'll say Open, and we'll say Install. Now, it uploaded it from my stored local place, and it's now installing it. If I look at the front panel of the printer, it actually quickly recognized it, said it was installing it, and is now doing a reboot. If I had my webcam, I could probably show it to you, but I don't. It's rebooting the PC, and I will then be able to check the firmware under the information menu to see what firmware level is loaded. Okay.